Alrighty, boys. We're making a comeback. And I don't mean here just on the channel, bro. We are making our way back to Istanbul, Turkey after 4 long years, dude. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Johnny Boy, the Last Henderson. No! What a strange intro, dude. But like I said, for this video, we are headed back to Istanbul, Turkey, to Vera Clinic specifically. And for those of you who have never seen the channel or who don't know yet, my name is John and I was bald 5 years ago. Yeah. Fully bald 5 years ago. Now I'm just ugly. Nah, dude, I was completely bald like 5 years ago. This is what I look like, and this is what I look like now. So shout out to Vera Clinic. They fixed me up lovely, bro. Nice and papacito, like, you know what I'm saying? Okay, maybe not that, but they fixed me up a lot, man, and I have nothing but great things to say about the clinic. I was just thinking about making the video right now, one that I'm here in Barcelona. I made a little bit of a cannabis cafe or social club, as they call them here. I made a little bit of a video and I kind of want to make it into a documentary series if I can, slash vlog. So if you guys want to see that, that's on my main channel, Vibin' and Thrivin' 420. Yes, 420 for that reason, dude. So if you guys are into that, or like vlogs, lifestyle, informational stuff about the industry, please check it out, dude. This is my hair channel, and now we're making it my dental channel, slash travel, slash medical abroad, dude. I could get into how the medical system is in America and all this BS baloney, bro. It is so in depth, and I am out of depth of what I'm speaking about. So I'm just gonna leave it to the professionals, and I will say, please vote, bro. Voting is very important. If you're not American, let your American friends know to vote, dude. People died for that right, don't forget. My name is Johnny Boy, the Last Hairbender, and what I'm getting at here is that we are making our way back to Istanbul, Turkey, Vera Clinic, and specifically Vera Dental Smile. Without further ado, let's get into it. They took care of me the whole way. Bro, this time around, like, well, I say this time around, since the beginning, they've been so well in communicating and getting things done. But I finally got the WhatsApp on my Xiaomi phone. So the WhatsApp? I finally got WhatsApp on my Xiaomi phone. And all of this information, just stuff, like these are texts going back and forth. But in terms of like information, this right here, dude. Good day, this is the Vera Clinic planning team. Important note, please note, check the accuracy information. Like the person here gave me all the information, they verified, and they also showed me the hotel I'm staying at, bro. Look at this shit, man. This is a nice spot, bro. Your hotel is the Titanic Business Cartel. That is a sick sounding place. Oh, I have it here on my Xiaomi. I love this phone already, bro. It is insanely fire. We're staying in a 5-star hotel, dude. But that's just the hotel aspect. I'm getting way too ahead of myself, dude. Like in terms of how Vera Clinic not only brings you to and from the airport before your surgery and stuff, the way that I don't even want to say handhold because that makes you sound like an infant, bro. The way they just carry you across the finish line when you're just dying, like, oh, dude, I need to get in this case, it would be get my teeth fixed. Have to get my teeth fixed because I no longer work with my job, dude. So I no longer work with Jetty and I no longer have health benefits, which is insane to think about. As soon as like, yeah, dude, we don't need you anymore. Just throw you away like a piece of trash like you are, you know, and you're on your own. In all seriousness, like Vera Clinic has saved me, bro. I remember when I got my second hair transplant, this was for Dental Vera Smile. When I got my second hair transplant, I'm like, yo, please, I broke my bracket, the little permanent braces in the back of my teeth. If I show you my teeth right now, you know what, dude? I'm gonna be vulnerable and show you the back of my teeth because they are grimy right now, dude. And it's only here. I floss every day, bro. And I use Dr. Tongue's, I don't have it here, Dr. Tongue's floss. And I have a special floss that I put in between here. I have an electric toothbrush. Like I take oral hygiene very seriously because I smoke a lot, man. I don't want people smelling my smoke breath. And they still probably do, bro. I hate that. It's the worst. But before my hair transplant, first of all, they managed to get my teeth cleaned. So they did a scaling, they did a teeth whitening, and they also fixed the bracket. So I'm gonna show you guys the bracket right now. Please don't make fun of me, bro. It's grimy, bro. Look. I don't know if it came out well, but it's a little bracket from this tooth to this teeth in the back. And it basically holds your teeth still, because I had braces when I was like 6th grade till like freshman or sophomore year. Yeah, it's about that time. And my teeth look like shark teeth, bro. I look like shark bait. Ooh, ha, ha. No. What am I talking about? Anyways, yeah, they fixed my bracket. So the reason why it broke is because I ate a pizza crust and it was super hard. And I just bit into it and it just hurt like, and just clamped. And it was basically just a metal piece stabbing at my tongue every second of the day, dude. So Vera Clinic saved me. They saved me so well on that, and it's still holding up very well. I still like, obviously, like feel. I guess that's why that stuff comes there, because the bracket makes it worse. I don't know. And then the day afterwards, I got my second hair transplant done, and then the day after that, dude, I got my wisdom teeth taken out, all 4 of them, bro. And that was the most intense week of probably my life. Oh, dude. They ended up putting the local anesthetic in. I don't know if you guys can hear. You know what? Let's do this tomorrow. Getting medical procedures done. Like, I've had like knee surgeries and stuff. Hair procedures, look, I'm gonna give you the real deal. It stings. It hurts when they put the needles in. It is an annoyance to make sure you don't hit your head or, you know, smack it on somewhere so no grafts come out. That's annoying, but definitely for sure, if we're talking about like taking care of it, like hair transplants are super easy, bro, but taking care of wisdom teeth by yourself in a foreign country, yeah, dude, that could be scary. So it was definitely doable. So thank you to Vera Clinic for helping me out with that. And 4 years later, we're perfectly fine. The whole, bro, I just realized the holes are completely sealed. Huh. I mean, I knew they would be sealed eventually, but I remember there were like divots in there. I could still feel the divot. Now there's nothing. So, man, and I think the doctor who helped me was Milan, Dr. Milan. So shout out to you. She's like, why are you crying? I am barely pulling. I'm like, homegirl, you got pliers in my mouth. And I have I did have a little bit of anesthetic. They put like a spray, numbing spray and stuff. And they put like needles and stuff too. But bro, that was, and I could feel the root of it, like just, I didn't want to be put under. Plus I do smoke a lot of cannabis. So in order to be put under, it would take a lot more, and it's a whole thing. It definitely was, like I said, one of the roughest things that I've done other than climbing the volcano. Wait, man. That's some bullshit, dude. That was pretty rough too, but this was pretty bad too. But that was just a little intro of that, dude. Shout out to Vera Clinic in Istanbul, Turkey. I will give you guys the little rundown of me getting to the hotel. This will be part 1. We'll do part 2 of me going to the clinic, and then part 3 maybe afterwards. So we'll see what's good. Honestly, I wonder how it will be now. Because when I went at that time, so the first time I went, it was smaller. It kind of did look like a clinic. The second time they got like a massive upgrade, and then they started getting sponsorships of like Everton, and I think they are sponsored by Brighton now, I think. And now in 2026, I think they have an even bigger area. So it's no longer like a clinic, it's literally a hospital. So they got hair stuff here, they got dental stuff here. They got a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna ask more in detail what other things that they have, what other what other procedures you can get done there. Because I'm telling you, man, America, it is with how much stuff is costing, as well as the service you get with it, dude, and everything. Everyone's just overworked. No longer want to deal with it, and Turkey's got my back, man. So shout out to Istanbul, shout out to Vera Clinic, shout out to all the homies. Who's this fool's name? This fool's name is Adam. Adam, bro. Gave me all of this, and the homegirl, Dalia, bro. Shout out to Dalia. All of these homegirls, everybody who helped the easy transition communication. I remember the first time I communicated with them was about 3.5 weeks ago, maybe about a month ago, and everything is falling into place perfectly now. So it doesn't take necessarily too long to get the ball rolling, but until you really make that step and really say like, yo, I'm gonna actually go get my hair done or do this or do that, it's worth it, bro. Please, one, take your medications before. I would say 3 to 4 months beforehand. Even get a prescription from the doctor. Say like, yo, I'm trying to get this done. See if I can do it, see if I can't. Yes, there are side effects in some people. My doctor, or the doctor in Turkey, I forgot his name. Dude.
What's his name? What's his name? I got nothing on a name. Come on, baby, what's the name?
Man, that fool saved my life and I forgot his name, bro. I have to check. This is him right here, though. But he told me that only 3% get side effects. Honestly, that was a little bit of reassurance that I needed to make sure that, hey, maybe I might be a part of that 3%, but hey, at the same time, if I don't do it, you're gonna waste all the opportunity and progress that you will have and will ever have because you were too scared to take a medication that, yes, may have side effects. One, you can stop it, side effects go away. Two, there are different versions of it. You can get like, was it not DHT, finasteride and dutasteride. That is it right there. I've been seeing there's some new strides in technology in Berkeley as well. So a lot of stuff coming out. But for now, let us get to whether the airport or travel a little bit more Barcelona. We still have some time. The plane doesn't leave till 4:30. I'm supposed to get out of here at 12. It is 11:16, bro. We're behind. I haven't even packed all the way. All right, I'll get the hell out of here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you right now, dude. Damn near missed the flight, boys. But we made it. That's why you always check online as well as your Apple thing. It will tell you the last minute, dude. I had to run like at least 15 minutes to get there. We're making it. We're making it to Istanbul, dude. And they didn't charge me for the bags yet. Guess it's a sign for you guys to slide through, get your hair done, dude. Finally made it through immigration. That thing took an hour, bro. Even with global entry, I would have been. But they also give you, well, I say they, Vera Clinic gives you a little guide on where to go after you get dropped off from the airport and stuff, or where you're supposed to get picked up. I don't know if it's this. I know it said exit 13. This is terminal 13 right here. It says exit. Nothing to declare. I think this might be it. The international airports, you go all the way down this way. And then, like I said, Vera Clinic sends you a whole time lapse on where you're supposed to go. So it makes it super easy because I know this place is easy to get lost in, dude. It is a huge airport, bro. It's probably one of the biggest in the world. But you just go all the way down this way and it says exit 13, I think. You can see here my Xiaomi. But it says number 38 is like the little sign we're supposed to look for, and it's outside of exit 13. So we're at exit 13. I'm telling you, that time lapse literally gives you step by step where to go. So I think that's another thing about Vera Clinic. It doesn't leave you in the dark. A lot of places, like even in the Bay, they tell you, yeah, you got an appointment at this time. They don't even tell you where it is. They didn't even tell you that they moved the spot. I had a dentist tell me they have regular appointments, and then they didn't tell me that they moved the place until the day of. What's wrong with them? MasterCard, that's what you're supposed to look for. Now you're supposed to look for number 38, I think it was. Number 38. Easy. Big little red number there. It's right outside too, so I'm telling you, it's easy. Full ride, dude. VIP, 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 VIP. made it, we made it. It's 11 at night, dude. I still haven't eaten today, bro. Fire. Some fire. We finally made it, bro. Look at this, dude. This is a 5-star hotel, boys. 5-star hotel. Let's see the outdoors. Watch, it's a wall. Not too bad. You got a little towerage right there. But I am beat. I have to find somewhere to eat right now. It is 11:30 and it's 24-hour room service. So maybe we can go with something. Oh, they got a whole ass remote thing, dude. You guys can see the bathroom too. Just like the other video back in the day, dude. I don't remember what that was. The World Asia Hotel. That was the one I stayed in the first time. This one is called, as I showed you guys earlier, that's the name of it right there. Yeah, this is a cool little spot, man. I'll sleep there tonight. But that is it for my trip to Istanbul, Turkey for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 where we actually go to the clinic and say what's good. And I just saw where the clinic is located. It's located in front of the beach, bro. They have upgraded so much, dude. So Vera Clinic is no longer the small clinic that they were. They are now a full-on hospital, dude. I don't know, dude. I'm beat. I will see you guys for the video tomorrow morning. Stay vibing, stay thriving. I will see you later.